I'm Wanda Lown, the technology editor for Architect Magazine, and I'm here with Moria McClintock, who's director of McClintock Facade Consulting, and Van Ekman, director of sustainability at Canon Design. And we're here to talk briefly about energy modeling. So first of all, why should architects care about energy modeling?
Because it's such an enormously exciting topic, right off the bat. No, there's a lot of factors why it's important for architects to care about energy modeling. Clients are demanding it. They're looking for energy smart, intelligent designs that require energy modeling. That's a big factor. Codes are requiring it more and more, and the sort of outcome of that code and regulation requirement is that in order to do the kinds of beautiful, flexible, light-filled, glass-laden designs that we typically like to do these days, energy modeling is becoming sort of a requirement to meet code and regulations. So there's a design flexibility reason for us to do that as well.
I think it builds opportunities for architects to increase their business because clients are asking for it as a part of the service. The architecture firms that are able to deliver it either in-house or efficiently with consultants are the ones that are going to be able to broaden their business and get more business on these types of projects.
Great. How do you see energy modeling becoming integrated into the design process? Is it something that architects are bringing in-house? Is it something that's going to become, consultants are going to start working more closely together? How do you see it going?
Yes.
All, both, everything, yes.
Yeah, it will depend on what you're trying to do and the capabilities and desires of your firm. Big firms, I think, are often developing some skill sets internal to the firm. We have some of that, but we don't do that entirely. We also go outside of the firm quite often because either the project demands it or the client demands it, or the sort of consultancy and team makeup that we put together sort of asks for that. So we do it all kinds of different ways.
And what kind of resources are out there right now in terms of software or guidebooks that are available for architects who want to learn more about energy modeling?
Well, the Architect's Guide for Energy Modeling is available online. It is the first publication that we put together, a group of us put together to introduce energy modeling specifically for architects and for architects to try to better engage with. It introduces some of the tools that are available out there. It tries to highlight which ones are better for different parts of the design process. And it also highlights that I think everybody is starting to understand that energy modeling actually needs to be embedded throughout the entire design process rather than just a one entity energy model for code compliance at the end of the project. That if you embed it, if you think of it as a process and embed it in the design process, you actually get a lot more out of it.
Well, it sounds like a very exciting time for architects and energy modeling and just the construction field in general.